Video categories, nomenclature and explanations, part 2.
Music, an art of sound and time that expresses ideas and emotions in significant forms through the elements of rhythm, melody, harmony, and color. News, report of a current event, important or interesting recent happenings, information about such events, as in the mass media. Politics, the set of activities that are associated with making decisions in groups or other forms of power relations among individuals, such as the distribution of resources or status. The activities involved in getting and using power in public life, in being able to influence decisions that affect a country or a society. Party politics, local politics, matters concerned with getting or using power within a particular group or organization. Nonprofit are groups who educate, fund research, advocate, or lobby on behalf of a public cause or initiative. The activism is that activists do their goals by using methods to bring change about peace protesters and the right to protest. Social movements for activists include racial equality, gender equality, immigration reform, human rights, and religious freedom. Other forms of activism include environmental activism and computer activism. Videos about lifestyle, people, blogs, promotions, and other topics fall under the people and blogs category. Because it fits with practically anything, it is the default category for all videos that are published on YouTube. The pets are companion animals, those lives with you in your home domestication like a dog or cat. They live with us because they fulfill our needs as well and can provide us comfort, friendship, and responsibility. The animal which depends on you for all of their basic needs, that is food, water, shelter, oxygen, space, safety, family, and respect, is a pet that require human intervention to be taken care of. The animals those are not pets do not need humans to take care of them. The video category of science encompasses the systematic study of the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world through observation and experiment, whereas technology is the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes. The video category of sport pertains to any form of physical activity or game, often competitive and organized, that aims to use, maintain, or improve physical ability and skills while providing enjoyment to participants and, in some cases, entertainment to spectators. The video category of travel means the movement of people between distant geographical locations, which can be done by foot, bicycle, automobile, train, boat, bus, airplane, ship, or other means, with or without luggage, and can be one-way or round trip. Travel can also include relatively short stays between successive movements, as in the case of tourism, whereas the events mean something that happens or is regarded as happening. An occurrence, especially one of some importance, the outcome, issue, or result of anything that occurs in a certain place during a particular interval of time.